Lovelies, how are you doing? So look at this woman. After finishing her duty, instead of going to sleep, you only decide and say, okay, let me add up the energy I lost during the day. So here I am. You can see what I decided to do. Most people ask me, Christine, how do you get the energy of making content from Facebook to YouTube? Now you're saying you're doing 2 videos at a go. I say, my dear, when a video is bringing for you money, you can even make 100. So how do I get my energy? This is how I get my energy. From work, I make sure that I look after myself very well. So I'm looking at the future millionaire, cutters of YouTube. Are you a millionaire, cutters of Facebook? Look after yourself if you want to be a millionaire. No, I just wanted to pull your leg. See, otherwise I'm really trying to eat this melon. They are all melons for your own information. I don't know which. There's this yellow melon, there's the other red melon, there's grapes. So this is what I do, by the way. When I feel I've reached at the peak, moreover you've finished your shower, you finished the work, before you go to bed or before you even resume the work on the work of Immaculate Show, this is what I do. I make sure I eat fruits. Hey, you guys, it's not easy to make money. It's not easy. So for you to make money, you have to eat money. Yes, let me eat my money. I'm eating the money. I said today, let me be with you. I just make you laugh. But meanwhile, I'm feeling a lot of I'm craving. There's something I'm craving for, but I can't click it. You people, I can't click it. But I'm doing justice to this watermelon. Yes, so watermelon and this pink and red and yellow, all of them, I'm doing justice to them. Guys, don't forget to upload a video today. If you know you've reached at this time without uploading, content is anything. Sit down. You can be like me. I took some time without uploading a video today on Facebook. So I decided, how do I do? I said, but now you have now watermelon, you're eating watermelon. Just upload this. Yeah, there are benefits of watermelon. It's not about even only benefits, but it's about also you have to make that money and eat this. You have to make it. Is my video really coordinated? Can you understand what I'm trying to show you or what I'm trying to tell you? I'm trying to tell you that I'm looking for content for today. Yes, I'm looking for the content for today, and the video has to reach 3 minutes. So what do? I have to make sure that I tell you anything. You guys, just like my video and share it just for the sake. Bye.